My dear chess friends, this is Fidemaster Viktor Neustroyev, and I've got a chess set from Exochess. This is 3D terrain chess. Let's open it. So actually I can say that it's well packed, and I even don't know how to open it properly. Okay, oh, fine, it works. Oh, looks like after I open this plastic, there is also a box inside. So the box wasn't damaged. Let's look at this. Okay, so finally, so from exochess.com. Okay, how to open it? Ah, like that. Okay, and now we open. What do we have? So, white and black chess pieces and the board. Actually, the board is the most important part of this chess set. Why? I'll show you. But let's open it first. So the idea of such a board is that the squares are located in a different height. So the squares in the center are lower. Oh, actually no, these squares on the first and the last rank are located lower than others. Oh, no, okay. No, this is A and G. This is A and H files, and actually it's probably because usually A and H files are not so important as the central files. Okay, so let's now set chess pieces here. King, queen, bishop, pawns. Well, this is just an ordinary chess set. However, it's fine. Maybe it's better to use a higher pieces for this chess set. But let's look. I think the square is too big for that pawn. Okay, now let's take a look at this. So when I play, for example, e4, so the middle of the board is located below the third and the second rank. I don't know why, because the middle is the most important part. Maybe it's because you shouldn't forget about the pieces around it. But anyway, it looks like a nice chess set. Let's say, for example, d5, e captures d5, queen takes pawn, knight c3, of course, to gain the tempo, queen a5. So the queen moves to the edge of the board and now becomes smaller, comparing, for example, to the queen which is in the center. What can indicate that maybe pieces standing in the center or on the central files are more important than pieces standing on the edge files. So d4. Yeah, it looks like a nice chess set. What else can we do? Yeah, looks like it's the only way to use such a chess set, because we can't locate the board like that. So this is a white light square, and the white king shouldn't be there. So this is the only way to set pieces at this position. Okay, so looks like a really interesting chess set that you can use in your interior and maybe play a few games with your friends. However, of course, such a chess set can't be used in official tournaments. Okay, thank you for your attention. I hope you liked this chess set, and if you want, you can also order your own from exochess.com.